Most people completely misunderstand this process, and because of that, they assume that registering a company in Seychelles is either complicated, secretive, or only used by large international corporations with complex financial structures. But if you are thinking about forming a company in Seychelles, there is something extremely important you need to understand first. Because Seychelles does not actually use the term LLC in its legal system. Instead, the closest equivalent structure is called an international business company, often shortened to EBC, which functions similarly to an LLC in terms of limited liability protection and international business use. And if you don't understand that before you begin, you can easily misinterpret requirements, misunderstand compliance rules, or assume that the process is more informal than it actually is. Now let's begin with a story. A young entrepreneur named Michael from Chicago had been running an online consulting business for several years. His clients were spread across multiple countries, and he was starting to think about international expansion and structuring his business in a more global way. One night, while researching offshore-friendly jurisdictions, he kept seeing the same name appear repeatedly. Seychelles. Simple incorporation. International recognition. Fast setup. And a win. Was in the tax neutrality for offshore income. And a long-standing reputation as a popular jurisdiction for international business companies. Michael became curious. So he started digging deeper. What he discovered was that Seychelles has a streamlined offshore company system, designed primarily for international business activities conducted outside the country. But here's where most people begin to misunderstand it. Seychelles is not a loophole. It is not a hidden system. And it is not a place where companies operate without structure. It is a regulated offshore jurisdiction with clear legal frameworks, compliance requirements, and international reporting standards. But here's where things get interesting. Michael initially assumed this would be a simple online process. He thought he could fill out a form, pay a small fee, and instantly receive a company ready for global banking and operations. But when he started researching deeper, he discovered something important. In Seychelles, company formation is handled through registered agents, who are licensed intermediaries, responsible for incorporating international business companies under the Companies Act. And that changes everything. Now let's introduce another character. Sarah, a freelance digital marketer from New York, was looking for a flexible international structure to serve clients across Europe, Asia, and North America. She came across Seychelles while researching offshore jurisdictions that offered tax-neutral structures for international income. At first, it sounded almost too simple. Fast incorporation, minimal reporting, flexible ownership structures. But as she researched further, she started encountering confusing information. Some sources mentioned zero tax. Others mentioned compliance obligations. Some talked about confidentiality benefits, while others emphasized banking challenges. And this is where most people get confused. Because Seychelles is simple in structure, but strict in compliance. And those two ideas can easily be misunderstood as contradiction when they are actually designed to work together. Now here is the first key insight. A Seychelles International Business Company, or IBC, is designed for international business activity conducted outside Seychelles. It is commonly used for consulting, digital services, holding structures, and cross-border trade. And under the right conditions, it may benefit from tax-neutral treatment on foreign-sourced income. But here is what most people miss. That tax treatment depends on proper compliance, correct classification, and adherence to reporting requirements. It is not automatic, and it is not unconditional. Now, Michael begins to understand something important. This is not just about forming a company. It is about entering a regulated offshore framework that interacts with global financial systems. And once he understands that, everything becomes clearer. But let's walk through the process step by step, as if Michael is actually going through it. The first step is choosing a registered agent. In Seychelles, you cannot directly incorporate an IBC on your own. You must work through a licensed registered agent, who is authorized to submit incorporation documents to the Registry of Companies. Michael selects a reputable agent that specializes in international incorporations. And immediately, the process becomes structured. Now comes the next step. Company name selection. At first, this seems simple. Michael chooses a business name for his consulting brand and submits it for approval. But here's where the system becomes formal. Company names must be unique, compliant with naming rules, and not misleading or restricted under Seychelles regulations. So the name is checked. And what happens next is predictable but important. The first choice is rejected due to similarity with an existing registered entity. So Michael revises it and resubmits. Approved. And this is where he learns something important. Even in offshore jurisdictions, legal identity still matters. Now comes the next step. Preparing incorporation documents. This is where Seychelles LLC formation becomes more structured than most people expect. The registered agent prepares the memorandum and articles of association, which define the company's purpose, shareholder structure, and operational rules. Michael provides his personal details, business activity description, and ownership structure. And Sarah notices something important when she goes through the same process. Even though the system is fast, it still requires accurate documentation. Now, let's pause here, because this is a key insight. Seychelles prioritizes simplicity in structure, but precision in compliance. Now comes the incorporation submission stage. The registered agent submits the documents to the Seychelles Registry of Companies. And this is where things move quickly. In many cases, incorporation can be completed within a short time frame if documents are accurate and complete. Michael's application is approved without delay. Sarah's takes slightly longer due to additional verification questions about her business activity. And this is where both of them learn something important. Speed depends on clarity. Now once approved, the company is officially incorporated. And this is a major milestone. Because now, the Seychelles International Business Company legally exists. But here's where expectations shift again. Incorporation is not the end of the process. It is the beginning of operational structure. Now comes the issuance of the Certificate of Incorporation. This document confirms the legal existence of the company. Michael receives his certificate and feels like the process is complete. But his registered agent explains something important. Ongoing compliance is required to maintain good standing. Now comes one of the most important aspects of Seychelles company formation. Annual renewal and registered agent maintenance. Every Seychelles IBC must maintain a registered agent and pay annual fees to remain active. Michael notes this carefully. Because offshore companies are not set and forget structures. They require maintenance. Now, let's move to banking. Opening a corporate bank account for a Seychelles LLC can be more complex than incorporation itself. Banks require detailed due diligence, including proof of business activity, identity verification, and sometimes references or contracts. And here is the key insight most people miss. Banks do not evaluate where your company is registered. They evaluate how transparent your business is. Michael prepares documentation showing his consulting clients, invoices, and service structure. And that clarity helps him move forward. Sarah does the same after organizing her client contracts and revenue model. And eventually, both receive approval. And suddenly, their companies are operational. But here's where the deeper understanding appears. A Seychelles EBC is not about hiding income or bypassing structure. It is about creating a legally recognized international business entity for offshore operations. And that structure must still comply with global financial transparency standards. Now, let's bring everything together. Michael started this journey, thinking Seychelles would be a fast and simple offshore company solution. But what he discovered is something more structured. Seychelles offers international business companies designed for global operations, with fast incorporation through registered agents, but with ongoing compliance obligations and banking due diligence requirements. Sarah learned that simplicity in formation does not mean absence of responsibility. And both of them learned something important. International business structures are not shortcuts. They are systems. So here is the final insight. If you are planning to register a company in Seychelles, the real advantage is not secrecy or speed alone. It is the ability to operate within a globally recognized offshore framework designed for international business efficiency. But only if you approach it correctly from the beginning. Because the biggest mistake people make is assuming offshore means informal. It does not. It means structured international compliance with specialized advantages. And once you understand that, everything becomes clearer, more strategic, and far more powerful. So take this with you. Structure creates credibility. Clarity creates compliance. And understanding creates opportunity. And now you understand Seychelles EBC formation far better than most people who attempt it without preparation. If you found this guide helpful and want more deep breakdowns of global business structures like this, make sure to subscribe for more clear and practical international guides.